Hi everyone, this is Phoebe from the Bugsnag team. Welcome to the final video in our series of demos on the Alerting and Workflow Engine. In this video, we'll cover how to customize your notifications for spike detection. If you'd like to go back and watch other videos in the series, I'll put a link to the playlist at the end of the video. And now I'll pass it over to Yvonne, our solutions engineer.
All right, so this next use case, very easy one for us to demo, but super important to teams. And that's the use case around understanding when error rates spike for a given project, or when specific types of errors have a specific frequency. So we don't even need to create a bookmark for this one. We can just jump straight into the settings. And in this example, we're going to integrate with PagerDuty. So I'm going to go to the incident management option and configure our PagerDuty integration. And the two types of alerts that I want to focus on are the alert for when a project has a spike in errors. And this is something that in the past wasn't configurable, but now, in the same way that we've shown in all of our other examples, has the ability to be configured using basic filters and advanced filters. And for this scenario, I'm just going to leave it the way it's configured. I've wanted to focus us on unhandled errors or crashes above handled exceptions, and I want to know when there's a spike in crashes. Maybe we have a handled event, and if that spikes, it's not super important. Nobody needs to be woken up in the middle of the night when that happens. But if our application starts crashing in the middle of the night, we need to be paged about it and we need to take action. So I'll save that. And then the errors occurring frequently is a really cool option. So I've gone ahead and set this one up as well. But what's important about this is that it gives you the ability to set a frequency at which errors may become important or may become concerning. So depending on how many users you have or which area of code you are isolating in your advanced filter, you may want to set different frequencies. So in this case, because I know how my error is going to behave, I've set the frequency to 100 events in 5 minutes, but both of those are customizable. You can set a specific time threshold and you can set a specific frequency threshold. So the next thing I'm going to do is trigger a bunch of errors. So when I click this button, that's going to begin triggering a lot of errors in Bugsnag, and I'll refresh here so that we can see that those are coming in. We're at 30 errors now, and when I refresh, we're already past 100, so we know that that's breached the threshold that I set. And when I look in PagerDuty and I refresh my page here, you can see that we have a triggered incident, and that's for the 100 events in 5 minutes from this project. And if I expand on this, I'll have details about that error.
Thanks so much, Yvonne, and that concludes our series of demos on the Alerting and Workflow Engine. On the screen, you'll see a link to view the full playlist. And if you haven't tried Bugsnag before, we welcome you to visit our website and start a free trial. Thanks, everyone.